kiddos, it's Miss Music and it's time for Sing a Story where we read, sing, play, and move along to storybooks. And I have a special friend here. Can you say hello?
Hello.
This is Luke and he's going to help us sing and move to the Itsy Bitsy Reindeer. Are you ready? Let's go!
Sing a story or two.
The Itsy Bitsy Reindeer worked up in Santa's shop. Sing it with us. The Itsy Bitsy Reindeer worked up in Santa's shop. Oh, look, he's pulling the toys. Let's do it with him. Helping the elves to do their Christmas job. Helping the elves to do their Christmas job. Building the toys and singing songs of joy. Do it with us. Building the toys and singing songs of joy. As they wrap all the presents for every girl and boy. Wrap the presents, ready? As they wrap the presents for every girl and boy. The Itsy Bitsy Reindeer was full of Christmas cheer. Sing loud. The Itsy Bitsy Reindeer was full of Christmas cheer. Down came the snow on the best night of the year. Down came the snow on the best night of the year. Out came St. Nick and loaded up the sleigh. Ready? Out came St. Nick and loaded up the sleigh. And the Itsy Bitsy Reindeer sang Santa's on his way. Sing it with us. And the Itsy Bitsy Reindeer sang Santa's on his way. Good job. Let's do the whole thing one more time without any repeats between the verses. Here we go. Itsy Bitsy Reindeer worked up in Santa's shop, helping the elves to do their Christmas job. Building the toys and singing songs of joy. As they wrapped all the presents for every girl and boy. The Itsy Bitsy Reindeer was full of Christmas cheer. Down came the snow on the best time of the year. Out came St. Nick who loaded up the sleigh. And the Itsy Bitsy Reindeer sang Santa's on his way to deliver all the toys. Say, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Thanks for singing and playing along. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can get more books to sing just like this one. Until next time, bye! Thanks for